Yeah, here is an app called the FULokoja, that is Federal University Lokoja Search Library Search. Basically, what this app does is that it allows you search for books within the library, because we have two campuses, so we have two libraries. So it allows you automatically search for two libraries within books within the two libraries. I used my Dataverse table to connect it, and here is the demo of the app. You just log in as a user. Now all you just have to do is to put in your search. Now once you search anything and press enter, it searches that for you. And take note, if you notice, the X here can clear, and once it clears, it goes back to search for you. That is, there is a functionality making the X, which is the cancel, and the search always function effectively. Now I can also go click on to preview the book location, the author, the name, and if I want to print, I can just click on print, and it allows me print that. Basically, that is what a single student user can do. And now I'll be showing you what the admins could also do. Alright, for the admins, I already created users table, so you have to go into the users table quickly, and you want to scroll down and search for my name, and make sure you type in admin here. Admin, that is, you're making this user your admin, and it saves that. Once that is saved, we can come back to our app, then try to reload this page. Yeah, now that the app is loaded and has been reloaded, so if I click on search now, this will bring out the admin session. Hopefully now you notice there's a new icon that just appeared here for the admins, and you could see the count at any point in time. So the admins now have the right to fill the form, to edit this form, and to submit, as the case may be. In any case scenario, they too can search for any book of their choice and press enter, then search for it. And possibly for users just now, you could only print. They could delete a record, they could also edit the record, as the case may be, within the case study of the library. And once you click on search, you click on home, you are back to your home, and you can exit the app at any time.